You are walking a blessed path. Pay attention to the signs around you.
We are the creators of our own reality through our thoughts, emotions, and feelings. We are constantly shaping our realities, whether we are aware of it or not. In this technique, we are going to focus on manifesting money through the power of intention. On one side of a piece of paper, write down your intention to win the lottery. Place the paper against a glass of water, securing it with tape. This act symbolizes a molecular change that you're initiating in the water. On the other side of the paper, write down your intention for money. Adjust the wording according to your preferred language or terminology, as money may have different names in various cultures. Ensure that your intentions are clear and specific, focusing solely on winning the lottery and attracting money. Now place your hands on the glass containing the water and transmit your intention to win the lottery and acquire a substantial amount of money. The written words already set this process in motion by initiating a molecular change in the water. Remember to remain calm and patient throughout this process. Avoid anxiety, restlessness, or despair, as this is a task best undertaken with a sense of trust.
Once you've set your intention, place the glass in a safe location. Trust that the cosmic forces of the universe will begin working towards manifesting your request in the physical realm. Belief, faith, certainty, and conviction are crucial during this process. The act of writing down your intentions keeps it active 24/7. You can also infuse energy into your intention daily. Approach the glass and reiterate your desire to win the lottery and receive a substantial amount of money. Alternatively, you can project your energy towards the glass, as if embarking on an astral journey, to reinforce your intention. Leave the glass undisturbed for about 9 days, a period of spiritual realization. During this time, continue infusing energy into your intention. By the end of this period, your manifestation should have started to take shape. Once you've achieved your desired results, the water can be poured onto a plant or used in another meaningful way. If you wish, you can repeat this technique for further materialization. It's important to note that doubts and skepticism can hinder the effectiveness of this practice. Approach it with unwavering faith and dedication. Perseverance and discipline are essential in all magical and ritualistic endeavors. Remember, the power to transform your reality lies within you. Utilize your spiritual faculties and tap into your inner magic to achieve success. I offer this information for your benefit, and I encourage you to take full advantage of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel for more insightful content, and share this video with those who might find it valuable. I'm grateful for your attention and offer infinite blessings to you, your family, and your home. By decreeing it under universal law, may you manifest the wealth you desire. Amen. Say Amen, and it shall be granted to you. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.